Okay, so today's adventure is to a place called Cascais. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And that is this like small touristy little island town that's about an hour away. So I'm gonna head there via train, which is promises to be a very lovely train ride. And yeah, I'm super excited. Let's go into the city. Okay, so it started to rain and yeah, I brought this sucker out. And I have no regrets, though I look like a complete fool, but I don't care, because guess what? I'm dry-ish. Look at this insane hill that I'm about to walk down. Like, it's beautiful, but you just know you're gonna be walking up it again, and the regret is so real. This is my first time taking the train by myself here. I've taken it with a group of people, which is, you know, so much easier because you don't have to actually do any mental thinking. You just let the group lead you. But this is my first time actually venturing out into the street and saying, all right, I'm gonna go from point A to point B and I will be fine. So I've made it to Cascais. It is lovely and so quaint and beautiful. You can tell a storm is approaching back there. That looks a little ominous, but definitely worth the train ride. It is really, really nice out here. Rock climbing on actual rocks. Like, this is the view you get when you rock climb in Lisbon. It is very hard to beat. I'm on my way to Time Out Market. This is my first time going to the market. We're about to pick up some food and cook it, which I'm pretty excited about. I was worried there for a second.
Oh my god, we're too late. I've never done rice this way before.
Me neither.
This is very Alfama. I don't know if you realize there's a lot of pink buildings.
Yeah.
Lisbon is very salmon style. Pastel, right? Pastel?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But mostly pastel, salmon, and pink. Then here we have that amazing convent of São Vicente. São Vicente was the Portuguese patron.
Conforme o vento as movia, iam-se as rosas